Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the two kinds of policies that are used in most of the industries, and these policies are related to the raw material stage. Imagine a company that is a car manufacturing company needs a frame for its car. The frame has sheet metals for its production. So the sheet metal is basically a raw material. What if the company A does means it buys the raw material from the vendor in a bulk amount and stores it in a warehouse. And when the demand arises, the company A takes the raw materials from the warehouse and meets out its production. Let me imagine a company B that buys raw materials in a minimal amount, and when the demand arises, only when it buys the raw materials from a vendor in a shorter amount. These are the two kinds of companies, the company A and company B. The policies followed by these companies are: the company A follows the conservation policy, that is the conservation of the raw materials in a warehouse, and the company B follows the just-in-time policy, that is the company B buys the raw materials only when demand needed arises. So these are the two kinds of policies. Let me explain the advantages and disadvantages of these policies. The conservation policy has certain advantages that when a huge demand arises in a market, the manufacturer takes out its raw materials from a warehouse and makes out it for the production process. So the company A has gained some of the profit when there is a shortage of raw materials. Also, it can take out from the warehouse. But there is also a disadvantage that the raw materials stored in the warehouse needs maintenance. Otherwise, it gets corroded because it is sheet metal, it is a metal, so that it is corroded easily. For that, the company has to pay for its maintenance, that is applying oil or something else to protect the surface of the sheet metals, and some amount has to be spent for that. In the just-in-time policy, the advantage is that only when the demand arises, it buys from a vendor the raw materials from the vendor, so that it can escape from the corrosion, that is due to the storage of the materials. But there is also a disadvantage that the just-in-time policy fails because when a huge demand arises, this company has fed into a shortage of the materials, so that it cannot able to make a continuous production itself. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of these two kinds of policies. So the conservation policies are used in most of the Asian and European countries. The just-in-time policies are used in the countries like Japan, Korea, etc. I give the question to you: what policy do you choose? And comment this answer in the comment box below. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. So thank you for watching.